Have you ever felt like you're doing all the right things in business, posting, selling, networking, and yet growth still feels harder than it should be? You're not alone, and I'll let you in on something that most miss. It's not a lack of work or even passion that's holding them back. It's that their business foundation isn't clear. Or worse, it's been built on shaky ground and nobody noticed. Hello, I'm Clive Ediver, business strategist, and today I'm going to walk you through exactly what a clear strategic business foundation looks like, why most people miss it, and how you can build something that's not only strong but sustainable. Let's start with this. Your business foundation is the anchor for everything you do. It's not just your product, it's not just your service. It's the combination of your mission, your vision, your offer, your market, your message, your delivery system. When any of these areas is vague or unaligned, business feels heavy. You react instead of lead. You chase instead of attract. You second-guess decisions, shift strategies too often, or feel burnt out trying to do more to make up for the confusion. And the reality is, clarity isn't just a nice to have, it's the difference between survival and thriving growth. Let me ask you, could you right now, in 2 or 3 sentences, describe your offer, who it's for, and why you're the obvious choice? If that's hard, it's not your fault. Most of us were taught to start with tactics, marketing, social media, selling, before building a real foundation. So, what does a clear business foundation actually look like in action? It looks like being able to say no to distractions because you know exactly what aligns and what doesn't. Attract ideal clients because your message speaks directly to their needs. Make strategic decisions quickly because you have a framework that guides you. Grow consistently because everything is reinforcing the same strong structure. Let's break it down a little more. A clear business foundation means you have a defined core offering. You know your ideal client intimately. Your brand message is sharp and consistent. Your systems support your vision. You're focused on strategy, not just tactics. And that's why most business owners miss it. Then, when a challenge hits, like a slow season, new competition, or an economic downturn, things crack. If you're realising your foundations might need some strengthening or even rebuilding, the good news is it's never too late to get clear. Here's where I recommend you start. Revisit your vision and mission. Define your core offer. Refine your ideal client profile. Audit your messaging and align your systems. If you're stuck or you want a strategic sounding board, that's exactly the work I do with business owners every day. I help you create clarity, strengthen your foundation, and build the business you really want to lead. So if you're ready to work smarter, not just harder, reach out. I'd love to help you set the foundations for real, lasting success.